So I already pre-sprayed all this. I'm just gonna, as she goes over that and scrubs it, I'm gonna go over it with a little bit more of this, whatever I have remaining here, over the darker areas. And you just give it that extra. This is the Green Rhino cocktail, also boosted with Dissolve 1-2 punch for the odor, stain odor for pet treatment, and for the heavy soil. I like challenges. If I'm not on a time restraint. Not when I'm too tight of a schedule. All right, time to roll out the hose. All right, guys, wrapping them up. That's as good as gonna get. So, guys, are new in the business, and you run across a situation like that, and it looks kind of dark, and you're questioning yourself, and you're using the high pH stuff, and you're just like, what the heck? How come it's not coming clean? It's not soil. It's actually damaged fiber, and this is polyester fiber. You'll get to know about how to identify. The more you do it, it's just look at it and you know. So yeah, that's as good as that car is gonna get. So we're time for replacement. If you notice, I had this on my arm. I don't know if you've seen the video. Don't get skin cancer, guys. Get a huge scar. I'm gonna have a huge scar on my arm now, matching the bottom. So the bottom there was because I used to be a bad boy. And if you watch my channel, it was kind of wild back in the day, so I got scars all over my body. But this is actually the only scar that's because I was sick. So, so anyway, yeah, so it's kind of tough. I can't do any heavy lifting with this arm for 2 weeks. I can't even work out. I'm bummed. All right, so anyway, that's it for this one. We're gonna wrap it up. It's starting to rain. I don't want to get wet. You guys have a good one. See you in the next one.